Here is how you can fix one of the most annoying bugs in Scratch. Here is a simple project illustrating what Scratch does at its screen edges. Based on this code, what you'd expect to see is the cat move in this angle and then exit the stage. But when we test out the code at the stage edges, there is a fencing problem. The cat kind of sticks to the edges instead of moving straight past. There are two ways to fix this, one by modifying the size and the other by modifying the costume. I'll share both of them. First, the size. Just increase the size to something large at the beginning, say 500, and then set it back to 100 after the movement. This happens before a single refresh, so the user will not notice the increase in size and the cat thus moves smoothly out of the screen. The alternate way to go about this would be to have multiple costumes. As you can see, I have the cat as well as a very large rectangle. Just alternating between the costumes before movements will also fix the glitch. So you can just switch the costume to big and then later back to cat A. Test it out and once again the fencing glitch should disappear. This becomes very useful, especially when it comes to things like constructing scrolling backgrounds.